Hello, my name is Janette.Camara, and my presentation today will be on ETL process and techniques. This presentation shows the ETL techniques used to understand Amazon's overall sales revenue by way of data analysis. The ETL process can streamline the data so the visualization and result reveal the customer's spending patterns. An effective ETL process implementation is the forefront in manipulating data to load into a data warehouse storage for the end user to visualize for future sales opportunities. The foundations for the ETL process is necessary to produce accurate sales data. The extracted data will come from any customer relations management or ERP platforms that are supplied for customer-related information. Also, customer satisfaction reviews retrieved from social media platforms are a beneficial source. Upon the information extracted, the data transformed produces information such as the customer's location, product purchased, amount of the sales, and the date and time of products sold. The transformed data of sales and its aggregates will be loaded into a data warehouse and stored for the use of the batch process in preparation for data visualization. The dimensional model mirrored from the Kimball dimensional model technique, as shown in this figure is a reflection for data and analytics. The aggregates will determine the relationships from sales order to product and its location to the customer demographics and the sales revenue per date and time. The ETL process is a foundation that outlines the data sets needed to structure the analytics to predict the customer's purchasing habits and trends that can improve sales and continual revenue stream. Important facts gathered will define a business requirement. The business requirement for Amazon sales is defined by the company's sales objectives flowing to the data analysis as it validates the customer spending patterns, having the documented process stored in naming conventions to provide management all data sets interpreted. The result is tracing the sales and its activity by time and date and the deployment of systems that are specific for the business profit outcomes. A data modeling tool can be structured by various software with ease of creating diagrams. For cost-effective purposes, there are open source software options that can leverage the modeling tool. The three recommended vendors for an elaborate array of a useful modeling tool are suggested as follows. Irwin Data Modeler. It features a free downloadable software that can create an actual database from the model. It can easily extract data from any CRM or ERP platform for accurate modeling. The modeling tool is versatile and it can create data anywhere. Then there's the PG Modelier. It is an open source tool specializing in creating and editing the database model. The software allows reporting models to a SQL file or PNG file servers. The validation feature can automatically produce an error-free database model. The highly favored is the SQL DBM because it provides an easy way to design the database on any browser without the need for other database servers or additional modeling tools. It's manageable for small and large databases with ease of use, distinct and a recommended favorite because it can import existing database schemas. To review the data source and understand the contents within the data structure, a data profiling tool should be considered when managing the ETL process. 3 vendors are recommended for such capabilities. They are the following. Quadient Data Cleaner can merge any duplicate fields. The software can handle data gap analysis. They're highly noted for data quality and data profiling features. Then there's the Talent Open Studio. It produces analytics or graphical charts. It has an advanced matching capability. The data querying feature is customizable. The highly recommended one is SourceForge. because of its data profiling feature combined with governance. The software has an efficient data cleansing tool. There are alerts if changes are needed in real time. Another feature is the ability for metadata discovery. The ETL technique must comprise data governance as it is necessary for the data, including customer information, product locators, sales revenue, to have a high level of consistency. The tools recommended help improve data quality with accuracy. Utilizations of these tools will maximize the company's profits and sales optimization. Data visualization will give upper management the reporting that facilitates the decisions made for product, its location kept at fulfillment centers. Database storage, Amazon will need for a proficient data warehouse to implement the sales data so that the measures of data is translated into a visualization. An ETL process, along with the use of technical tools, warrants reliable data predictions for sales by location, customer relations, and product movement. Techniques and tools are necessary for accurate real-time data to forecast measures that can predict sales opportunities and product and location-driven factors that can bring in revenue to Amazon. The inclusion of database storage and visualization are components of the ETL process and the sales progression. Data sets comprised of the data warehouse is necessary for the ways the data can be formatted and visualized into dashboards for the stakeholders' decision-making efforts. These are my references to my presentation. Thank you.